Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the trading desk where we talk about the daily movers in the market, specifically my trades, why I took them, why I thought they were a good setup, and what was the resolution from the trades that I took. So today I am break even on the day. I was a bit up around $20, I guess, but gave it back. So we'll talk about that in today's recap. Uh, So, the day started like any other. As you can see, it started at basically 7 a.m. or 1 p.m. my time. STTK had news before at around 12:30 that I had a private placement of about $103 million. And this stock, so once it had so as I was saying, this stock was highly. It had a very high float, and the two stocks that I traded today both have high float, and I think that is why it just didn't work out. But it is what it is. So let's see what happens. So this guy popped up 12:30 and sold off. Did a little bit of a cup formation here, but I wouldn't say it. Goes up to a high of 120, pulls back, and here at 1, people that could not trade it, on brokers that do not allow trading before 7 a.m. got in, goes back up to 120, and then pulls back, goes up again, doesn't break it, so rejection right there. 105, a micro pullback here, just goes back to the 9 EMA, goes up, and here I bought on this candle. Why? Because here the volume kind of negated itself, and I knew that because first it started, dropped all the way down and started buying back up. I knew this candle was gonna go green, and if it was gonna break 120, it was now. So I got in at 120 here as it was rising, didn't break through, got all the way down. I actually waited through to this consolidation period, but I sold at 111 right there to avoid going to this low. I mean, I could have waited probably to, I guess, buy this here, but still a $50 loss, which I could accept. Then there was nothing until 8 a.m. or 2 p.m. or 2 p.m. my time. News SMXT that had awarded 127.3 million Texas contract. So at the minute I pulled it up, I got in. Why? Because it had news. It went up, it went down. I basically bought at 129, 500 shares here, right there, and the volume here was good, as you can see, right there. The volume was good, and I like the trade. I like the trade. I knew that if I could get in fast enough, it would eventually go a little bit up, and I could sell for profit. The float again was pretty high, and we'll talk about that why that I supported in the trade. So I get in at 500, 129, goes up 139, and take a little bit of profit because it was kind of moving slowly. So I was like, okay, wait a second. Goes up again 149 here, and then 149, and take profit because I knew that I was kind of scared of it, like actually flatlining here at 150. So I took profit at 149. I'm happy with that, and basically made a profit about 78 $80, so I was above like 12. And then the next two trades that I got in and out were basically break even. So I got in here as on this curl back. Basically it goes up, goes all the way back down, starts buying up. I get in at 150, goes up, and then it just stalls out like a doji. I knew it wasn't gonna work. The moment I saw this red candle, I sold 149. I got in at 149, as you can see. So I lost the commission. Basically goes down, kind of flatlines, goes all the way down here. I'm like, okay, this is selling off because it hit the 20 MA, and most of the time when it hits the 20 MA on this high float, it just kind of just goes down and just sells off like this. But before it did that, it made this climb up, pull back here. I should have bought this pullback, but nevertheless, now where the float comes in, usually this trade works out. So It goes up to 150. I get in here, 150, I mean 160, sorry. I get in at 162. That's my fill price. And usually when there's low float, this trade that I take every single day results in a way that it goes up, right? Because we broke through the high of the day with a lot of volume and then we go up. But due to the high float and I guess a lot of selling here in this small candle, we kind of held this level 160, so that's why I didn't sell. It goes up to 169, I don't sell, goes down, I sell immediately here, literally at 160, 2 cents per share. I have a loss and I'm at break even. So really today there weren't that many big chances. Like, yeah, I could have basically ended it here, but the problem was just high float stocks, and you just cannot get in and out fast enough, or even, I guess, not fast enough, I wouldn't say, but you can just the trades that you can take when the float is low, it's different when the float is high. So what guess I would have get out for today was, I'm happy that I'm break even. I could have been a bit up, but nevertheless, I took good trades. I took the setups that I like. I didn't held that much. My losses were pretty like 10 cents, right? 9 cents. Yeah, I traded with a bit of more size today because I am scaling that up. But still, I would say that it's a good day. It's fine. Break even on the day, and the only thing that I know for sure now is that with high float stocks, the setup that I like kind of doesn't resolve the way it should. Nevertheless, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.